Okay, this is my S&m Grandslam V1 bike check. Right, we'll start from the front. I've got a white Odyssey parend with iron rust, black grips, flangeless, a black parend on the other side. Got S&m Grandslam bars in chrome, 29 inch. Mirraco top load stem, sprayed it pink. An FSA impact headset, still black, it's decent. That's the top cap. S&m Grandslam 20.75 frame. It's got this dodgy, weird cutout. Oh god, my back's falling. Okay. Sunday AM, Sunday AM forks or whatever they're called. But I'm getting some directors in about 2 days. A skylark rim, Alienation skylark, laced to a KG astral hub in chrome, 10mm with a female bolt and a titanium axle, I think. DT Swiss spokes, an Xposure 20.215 Tyre, down to the middle of the bike. Salt plus pinch bolt cranks, decent cranks. I'm getting some 12 bolts probably. Kink sound sprocket, 25 tooth, in gold bronzy colour. KMC K710 SL chain in silver with titanium. Odyssey twisted PCs lasted really long. Don't even shin you at all. They hurt a little bit, but they're much better than metal. An Eclat complex padded seat is started to rip down here, right there. Now to the back end, I've got oh yeah, and I've got a United bottom bracket, if you can see there, and it's a Spanish bottom bracket. Right, now to the back, I've got a skylark, an Alienation skylark, laced with halo spokes and a G-Sport ratchet hub, a really loud hub, left hand drive, and I've got an Odyssey path. The sound of the G-Sport, I'll just give you a quick test. Sound of the G-Sport is. And that is my bike check. Oh yeah, and I got an Etnies sticker, which is also